Understanding Powder Detergent, a guide to clean laundry. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common household item you've probably seen or used before, powder detergent. We'll explore what it is, how it's used, and some tips to make your laundry days more efficient. So, let's get into the bubbly world of powder detergents. Powder detergent is a type of cleaning agent used primarily for laundry. It's in a dry, granulated form and is specially formulated to remove dirt, stains, and odors from fabrics. Unlike liquid detergents, powder detergent comes in a box or a bag and requires a scoop for measurement. It's known for its long shelf life and cost-effectiveness. One of the biggest pluses of powder detergent is its effectiveness in dealing with outdoor stains like mud or grass. It's also praised for its ability to perform well in high-temperature washes, making it a go-to for white garments that need a thorough cleaning. Moreover, it's economical. You generally need less per load compared to liquid detergents. Using powder detergent is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. 1. Measure the right amount using the scoop provided. The amount may vary based on the load size and the concentration of the detergent. 2. Add the detergent to the washing machine. Some machines have a specific drawer for detergent, while others may require you to add the powder directly to the drum before loading the clothes. 3. Choose the appropriate washing cycle based on the fabric type and how dirty the clothes are. To keep your powder detergent at its best, follow these tips. Store it in a dry place to prevent clumping. Keep the box or bag sealed when not in use. Use the scoop provided to avoid using too much detergent, which can leave residue on your clothes. And that wraps up our exploration of powder detergent. Whether you're dealing with tough stains or just doing your regular laundry, powder detergent is a reliable choice that can make your clothes look and smell fresh. We hope this video helps you make the most of your laundry days. Happy washing, and see you in the next video.